sisters or friends there. I imagine it's the same time period. Check this one out. It says Florence and Bernice Rash. It's crazy, huh? 1959. 1959. It's funny that these are May. I'm doing this in May. That is crazy. And then that booklet was May. Had the Gemini thing on it. How crazy is that? That's weird, right? 1962. 1959. Is that weird? And my birthday's in May? These pictures are from May, the 50s. Astrology thing. This is Gemini. That's weird. That is weird. 1959, playing in the snow. 1959, building a little dollhouse. A sweet ride in the back of these pictures. Look at that. Christmas. This looks like it's Christmas, 1962. Wow. Somebody's asleep. Oh, Pop is asleep. Another something. I don't think that's a class picture. I think they're, or I don't know. What do I know? Check that out. We got some more ephemera. Liberty Bell, 1 dozen, 14-inch eye nail hammer handles. And you can't sell this kind of stuff. You just gotta do your homework on it. Scratch feed, ASA Overbay, 100 pounds. Made from cracked corn and wheat. Okay, January 2nd, 1945. That's pretty cool. Alright, we got a business card here. Phone number is 6-7977. Electrolux, Inc. of New York. Represented by A.O. Cochran. Check that out. Another business card here. Phone 65268. After 6:30 p.m. 33027J. M.A. Cobb Coal Company. It's a coal company. Look at that. Some writing on the back. Student, you drive it. You drive it? Operated by students. No down payments. Ford V8. No references. 7 cents per mile up to 100 miles. See either Belford Lester or Tom Duke. Cars delivered. Phone 76507 or 77316. And it looks like they had another phone number in the back. That's a cool one. Ford V8. No down payments. No references. 7 cents per mile up to 100 miles. That's cool. 7 things God wants us to know. No thanks. A cool picture here. Then we got a raffle. Sci-Fi Pi Sorority. March 3rd, 1931. Well, that's pretty cool. Little half a Batman sticker. Business cards. Floormen's Supply Company. Again with the phone number. Store phone number 62526-84993. Masery Paints. Okay, and then we got this stationery sheets, 8 envelopes. This is probably gonna go to my fiance. I can't do much with that. And then we got time changes in USA, covering years from 1966 through 1969 by Doris Chase Doan. Sylvia DeLong, Astrology and Occult Supplies. Whoa. Copyright 1969. See that? There. What is this all about? Daylight savings time stuff. D. Thompson used to own this book. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Graphic Arts Press, Downey, California. I used to live in Downey, California. My mom lives in Downey, California. And then there's like a newspaper clipping. It says, "Help! I need a copy of my birth certificate. Please give me the address of the bureau in New York City where I can get help. I was born in Manhattan. We assume you were born since 1866. You and other New Yorkers under age 109 can obtain copies of your birth records, short and long forms, for $2.50 for the initial copy and $1.25 for each additional copy. Right, Bureau Records of Statistics Department, blah, blah, blah." And then Getty okays oil sales. There's a thing on here that has 1985 date. It doesn't look like it's too old. It looks like it's been here for a long time, though. It's the outline of the newspapers on here. So that's pretty cool right there. Got that there. Well, look at this. Collector's Edition. Omni. Never heard of this. March 1995. What is this all about? Is that a magazine that has tons of different things? It's pretty pretty. Like that. Then some more time changes in the USA. Some newspaper clippings in here. Another one. This has dates of 1975. It says, "Help! I am currently studying the artistic science of astrology and will soon begin making charts. My own chart, of course, is first on the list. However, I need to know the exact time of my birth. There is no time stated on my certificate of registration of birth. From New York State, where do I write for a copy of the real certificate, and do they usually charge for such a service?" Oh, I can't. There is a nominal charge, and then they respond. So it's like they write to this column, and then they respond. There is a nominal charge of $2 for a copy of your original birth certificate. For a copy, send $2 along with your full name, date of birth, county and city of birth, father name, and your mother's maiden name. There should be no difficulty in obtaining a copy of the certificate. Yeah, because there's another like help at the bottom. So I wonder if they're the ones that wrote these. Or they just wanted to save the addresses. Another one, distributed by Sylvia DeLong, Astrology and Occult Supplies. Author of Horoscopes of the U.S. Presidents, Astrology 30 Years Research Index to the 210 Brotherhood of Light Lessons, Time Changes in Canada and Mexico. So that is pretty cool right there. Oh, look at that. And we got How to Draw Marvel Spider-Man. I actually remember this. I'm pretty sure I had this back in the day. Yes, I did. I had this book. It looks like they... Is this my book? Is this my original book? I think I did this. We got that there. We got a Gerald Ford book. 38th President of the United States. Destiny's Dark Horse, America's first unelected president. A great American's progression to power, the football hero, the congressman, the House leader, the vice president, and speculator rise to the White House. It's a magazine all about Gerald Ford. And the last item in the box is Pioneer, the new Pioneer album, stamp collection book, and I've sold one of these before. I don't remember how much I sold it for. That's probably why they have so many stamps. But I've sold this exact book years ago now. But this one isn't filled out, which might be a good thing. Yeah, it does not seem to be filled out except for a handful of items. But yeah, smells like old stuff. But that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Lots of cool stuff. Lots of ephemera. And yeah, now I understand why I bought this box. Pretty cool items. Gonna look through all these, because this is all stuff you could sell. Some Ford collector. Yeah, V8. I'm sure there's business card collectors. There's collectors for all this stuff. So yeah, it's very cool stuff. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know. I've been thinking about this artist's name the whole time. And I almost had it, and then it went away. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Most likely it was a two-parter. Thanks for watching, all that good stuff. Let me know down below if you know about any of this stuff, if you have sold any of the stuff. Yeah, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys on the next video.